All right, good afternoon. This is Dre with Grind Major Day Trading, and I am grateful that you are checking me out today. It is the 5th, so hopefully everybody enjoyed their 4th yesterday and their day off work. If this is your first time checking me out, I'm a self-taught day trader, and my specialty is out of the money or low risk spread contracts. And my goal is to teach as many of you traders, whether you are an aspiring trader or an active trader. I want to teach you how to become not only consistently profitable, but show you how to do that using as little capital as possible. So, as always, I remind you to go over to grindmajordaytrading.com. You can sign up for services, shop in the apparel store, become an affiliate. Right now, currently, I am updating the courses section, so I have removed all of the course material from the site, so you can't purchase it right now. And I know I've been getting a lot of messages saying, "Hey, Dre, when can I, buy your stuff again?" I'm doing this for you. I'm improving things. I'm all about trying to add value and give you more so that you can learn this as easily as possible. I'm all about breaking things down and trying to make it as simple as possible. I'm not with a whole bunch of technical jargon. I try to make it easy for you to learn so you can implement it as soon as possible. All right. So I'm just improving on that process for you. So it'll be back up in the next couple of days. But other than that, make sure you go over to grindmajordaytrading.com, bookmark it on your website or something so you always have it. This recap is going to be available at the website, grindmajordaytrading.com. You will also see it at YouTube and various other places online, but you can always see it every day. Every day I'll place a position. You can always see the recap at the website. All right. All right. So today actually is a bit interesting. We took the week off. I gave everybody the week off. I told them that the market was going to be closed on the 4th. It'll be reopening on Friday. If you're going to do anything, put on some demo trades. If you feel confident in what you see, go ahead and trade your live account. Just be cautious with everything you do. Watch your accounts, your trade size and all that good stuff, because not only is it holiday week, but we got non-farm payroll, just a lot of stuff going on today that could potentially mess up your trade. So you just want to be cautious about what you're risking. So I'm happy to say that today was another normal day. Everybody ended in profit. Everybody got in, got out, and got on with their day. And if I go back, I'm pretty sure, and I would not be surprised if a couple of us in my coaching room did have actually probably had the same contract as well. The interesting part about today is I didn't put out a trade plan. When I gave everybody the day off, I told them, you can watch the market, you can demo, but I'm not going to put out a trade plan. We'll resume that on Monday. So everybody that I'm going to post their results on Instagram, which is GM_day trading, everybody was simply following the Grind Major Day Trading process of low risk trades using spreads. That's it. I didn't give anybody a trade plan. Everybody that you're going to see today, Mike, Barbara, Doreen, Eric, everybody that produced results that decided that they wanted to trade, whether it was a live or a demo trade. The point is that I want you to understand that everybody was able to execute properly based on how we do things at Grind Major, and they did it without me giving a plan out for today. So that just goes to show you that when you come, you work with me, I will get you to the point of becoming consistently profitable using low risk on your own. I will get you there if you're willing to put in the work. All right. The people that you see me posting their results every day, they put in the work. They definitely put in the work. So if you want to put in the work, you can do the same as well. So for the position I took, if you couldn't see the fear coming now, first of all, let me just say that I'm a fan of buying when it's higher and selling when it's lower, because you never really know how high it's going to go. You never really know how low it's going to go. Right? But if you pair a few things together, like the fact that retail traders love psychological numbers, they are either attracted to them or scared of them. Just a lot of other things that I teach you at Grind Major Day Trading. You would have definitely seen the fear coming into the market around 3,000. The market, the S&P 500 has never been at 3,000, which is this level right here. The market has never been up here on the S&P 500. So, you factor in everything that's going on this week. For us at Grind Major, it looked like a really, really good sell opportunity. Had it not been, we wouldn't have taken it because we do not do losses on Friday at Grind Major Day Trading. We will go so far as to not place a trade to avoid a loss, because not placing a trade is placing a trade because you're protecting your capital. All right. So for my position today, I got in at $65 per contract, and I got in at the 29.93 level. I wanted to come in a little bit below 29.95 to get confirmation that we were going to be selling off away from the 3,000 level. Because again, like I told the class, we could have definitely continued to drip higher. So I wanted to make sure that that was not what was going to go on today. So I felt confident getting in at this level. As you can see, this was also a level where price stalled out at pretty much this area right here. So we got in at the 29.93 level, and that was around 8:24 this morning. Again, for $65 per contract. It was a daily contract that was going to expire at 4:15 today. Again, Nadex was back on its normal hours today. They were closed yesterday and had a short day Tuesday, but they were back on normal hours today for Friday. All right. So we got a quick spike to the upside. And if you look again, that spike topped out right at the pretty much where the top range of this small back and forth movement is. Again, looking to the left is going to tell you everything you need to know pretty much as far as what might or might not be coming and what you want to avoid or take part of and try to exploit. So we got a quick pop to the upside, developed some momentum to make this move to the downside, and then we got our sell-off. So we were negative here, but really, really quickly, because we're looking at a 5-minute chart. So this literally popped up and then just made its way down. So price makes its way down. We get our exit at the 29.80 level. The reason I wanted to get out at this level is, again, because of the history that we saw on the chart to the left, which is something that I teach you how to look at, how to read it, how to understand it, and how to utilize it. Because of that information and other factors, I took my exit here at the 29.80 level. And just really quickly, I'm going to squeeze this in because I want you to see this beautiful spike and ledge. Just let me grab my pen and see if we can get some drawing going on here. Spike and ledge. A spike and ledge is a really, I've been trading this formation for years. It has always been reliable. It comes in like clockwork when you see it developing. And I see it on the indices all the time. On all the indices, I use this. I've been using it for years, and it is very reliable. So anyway, spike is when the price spikes up, and I'm giving you a lot of info. I hope you're taking notes for this recap, because this is I'm giving you a lot for that. We can just say I'm giving you a lot for your holiday. All right. So there's your ledge. Spike. Price spikes up. You get a ledge, and then it spikes back down. And when it spikes back down, it will normally come back to where it began. All right. Spike and ledge. You can use this to your advantage when you see it forming. You can take the short side of it. If you feel as though it is forming on the beginning side, you can take the buy side of it. But if you look at these two movements, look right here, look right here. These are basically the same things happening at two different times, repeating itself. History repeating itself. All right. I'm always telling you all this, right? So here we are back at the recap. So let's get rid of these notes. All right, there we go. All right, so there you have it. There's today's position. That's why we took it. That's how we got in. That's how we got out. Hope you got some great notes. Hope you enjoyed your day off yesterday. Hopefully you even had the day off today. And if you did have the day off today, hopefully you utilized that time to make some money, maybe recoup some of that money that you spent on all that unhealthy food that you probably ate yesterday. Because you all know I like to trade healthy with the smoothies, the fruit, the salads, but I did cheat a little bit yesterday, and I had a few wings, a burger, that kind of stuff. So, got to get back on track. But anyway, that's beside the point. Hopefully you had a great day off. Hopefully you had a great Friday. Hopefully you did not take a loss to carry into the weekend. And other than that, have a great weekend. Those updates, again, I'm working very, very hard because I'm trying to give you the best I can possibly give you as a one-man show. I don't know who has a team working for them or with them or whatever, but my team is a team of other business people. So they are tending to some other business at the moment. So I'm flying solo, giving you as much as I possibly can and make sure that you can learn how to do what I do day to day. All right. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the recap. Have a great weekend. And I will see you all on Monday, unless I decide to drop a video during the weekend. All right, peace.